Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make those amazing pockets with vellum paper that you can print on your printers and they look gorgeous. I'm very happy with the result and I'm going to show you what kind of paper did I use. But before everything, I hope that you're happy and you are very inspired by your life. Please subscribe for my channel and of course like this video, because everything that you make and in every way that you're going to support me is going to help my channel to develop more. So subscribe, please. They're very easy as pockets. You can use them in junk journals or you can give them as a present. My honestly my idea was to use them in one new project that I'm making. That is why I liked the way they look, and I carefully choose the papers that I used. Let me just share with you what kind of papers did I use. I used this stack of papers on Illusion. I'm sorry, no, this is the name of the paper, Perfect Illusion, and I think that this is the resource, and it's 6 by 6. But of course, if you need bigger pockets, you can use bigger papers. Everything is up to you about the sizes. So I want to say that there is no specific sizes for this one. You only need, let me just show you, but I already cut out of the paper. I print them a few days ago. You only need print like this one on vellum paper. I think it looks very beautiful and very gorgeous. And this is, let me just reach the paper because it's on the other side of the desk. This is the paper that I'm going to use. I think I like the way that it looks because it has something metallic in it and looks very gorgeous. It's from the same kit that I show you. And also for this circle I use dies from Sizzix, as you can see, and I forgot from where I took this, but it's ordinary rectangle, as you can see, to make this like a window, to make and to cut out window in this paper. What else? You don't need something specific. So my idea was to make this beautiful vellum pockets. So it's going to be very easy. I'm going to show you. Let me just, I forgot to take my scissors, as always. Let me just go and take them. Okay, I'm ready. It's going to be, it's going to be very easy. Oh, it's pearl from this part. As you can see, it's glow very beautiful. And as I said, you can make it in any kind of size that you need. Let me push aside those ones and take my scoring board, because I prefer to use scoring board. Why? Because I'm not so good at folding. I'm not going to hide this fact. So the idea is to make a little notch here from this part and just cut the edges like this. And you're going to do the same thing for the bottom. Let me just, probably it's better here. Okay, I'm ready. Let me remove my scoring board because my desk is so little. And just fold. You're going to remove half of this fold side on the top because you don't need it. And make little notches here and here. And now it's time to cut the window. I'm going to make it here. Let me take just my thick machine. Whoa, it's heavy. Let me just put I'm going to use some washi tape to stick the, where is it? Ah, there is it. To stick the die, just to fix it, I mean, not to stick it. Sorry for my bad language, bad English, bad language. Let me remove it. Okay. I'm going to use it in some other project. And let me take my vellum paper that I cut out and glue it. before everything. Where is... Okay. I'm going to put it here. These numbers are very easy to make, especially when you have such stamps with numbers. So I didn't print them out. I just used stamps and ink to make them more vintage. And they are ready. Looks very beautiful and very vintage. So let me just move it in the middle and remove this one and this one here. So I hope that you like this video. Let me just show you the result. This was the one that I made just now. So I hope that you like and enjoy this video. One more time, please subscribe for my channel and give a thumbs up on this video and check my other videos. So see you in my next one. Bye bye guys.